All right, so Hoopla is another wonderful resource where you can find some ebooks and some audiobooks. And to be able to find those, you go into Browse and you select the one you want. So let's take a look at what they have for audiobooks. And of course, Hoopla, there is no wait, so whatever you see, you can get right away. So you can take a look at the format. So you've picked the audiobooks. You also maybe want to take a look at the ratings. So let's say I'm okay with a 4 and up. And then you will see a selection of material that you can choose to read, or in this case, listen to. And to find the ebooks here, select that, and you can do the same thing 4 and up. And you can select. You can also sort by A to Z. How about popularity? Maybe you would even be interested in looking at the release dates. And there you have it. Happy reading.